Hello, I'm Ailey, and I just wanted to talk a little bit about our video, The Little Girl and the Stars. This is a really nice, simple, sensory story. It's actually perfect for telling one-to-one, maybe with a child who is lying down for postural care reasons or because they're a bit poorly or at bedtime. It's a lovely, gentle story. If you want to keep it really gentle and calm, you could miss out the Christmas aspect of the story, which is a little bit more exciting, and just make a lovely, calm ending with the stars turning into coins. If you want to make it a little bit more exciting, you could add in any kind of nice, interesting Christmas props. You can put in oranges, which have a lovely smell. You can put in lots of Christmas bling, maybe some lights. We used tinsel in our version. And because we'd been talking about how cold the little girl was, we used the mittens in our story at the end. You could use woolly hats, woolly scarves, maybe a nice woolly blanket. You could wrap the children in a woolly blanket at the end of the story. And then, of course, the most important prop in the story is the confetti. And I find that children really love confetti. So you can really linger over the confetti in the story. There's the leaf confetti, which is orange or brown, and then the snow confetti, which is white, and then the golden confetti for the stars. And you can find all that online if you Google it, or if you prefer, you could make your own out of tissue paper. Just cut up lots of little snips of the right colour of tissue paper and create your own confetti. As always with our props, the suggestions are not all toys, so they should only be used under adult supervision. Have fun with this nice, calm story. Happy storytelling. Goodbye.